lovely to see you here with Jared. We're in work tips. That's right, Business Central, optimization, work tips. This is tip number 8. We're talking about the FactBox and personalization. So here we are. I'm looking at my list of customers, and on the top right hand corner, I've got this I. It used to be the information pane. Now it's the FactBox. All right, it's been FactBox by Microsoft for years, but for those who are old school. Now, if I want to change what I see here, I click on the customer and it changes the information that I get to see. But can I really personalize this? Yes, you can. Let's go into the cog, click personalize, and here I can see areas which have been disabled that I could easily show. Okay, but I've also got the ability to add. And as I click add, let's focus in this sell to customer sales history. And now I've got fields that I can actually add to this. So I could say, show me the ongoing sales invoices. I want to see sales orders total. I want to see sales invoices. There we go. Cool. And admittedly, we've got these as a panel here. I can click on those. Let's go back. I can move my mouse over those and hide those as well to get rid of things that I just don't want to see. So there we go. And in personalizing, you can get your team to a point where your FactBox is showing you exactly what you want to see. I'm going to show my customer details. I'm going to drag that right up the top here, and just down the bottom, I'm going to drag down just below here, and I'm going to enable Power BI. So let's do that. Excellent. And in here, I should be able to turn around and select relevant reports for this section. See that there? We've now personalized. The team see exactly what we want them to see. Nice and simple personalization of your FactBox straight into your relevant Power BI that would be enabled for this particular user. I'll see you in the next video.